Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I curl my half wig. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and let's get into it. Alright guys, so you're going to need some hair clips, a hairbrush, and a wand curler as well as hairspray. So my wand curler I've had for like 10 plus years, right? So yeah. And the hairspray I like to use is the Camera Light Hold. You can use the Tresemme Light Hold hairspray as well. It's perfectly fine. So the first thing you like to do is section out the hair and make sure you brush through the hair and making sure the hair is free of all knots and tangles. That way you can have a nice clean curl. Then you'll take the hair and wrap the hair, as you see I'm doing in the video, around the wand curler and hold it for about 30 seconds. Depending on what style you're looking for, if you want to maintain the big hair poofy look, you'll take bigger sections, especially with dealing with kinky textured hair. And if you would like a more uniform look, very small curls, you'll take smaller sections. This is a style I like to do when I'm trying to rush me out the door. I'll just randomly take pieces of hair and put curls in them. And that's basically what I'm showing you guys today. So after I'm done curling the hair, I like to go in with a light hairspray and spray a lot. Now, if you're going to use a extra holding spray like Got2b Glued or Tresemme, you don't spray as much as I do because your hair will be really sticky. Another thing that I like to do is I like to spray my wig while it's still in the mannequin head. That way it doesn't really get into my natural hair and then my natural hair becomes really crunchy. Just be very cautious when spraying your hairspray. But that is it, guys. I'm late to the office. Catch you guys later. Bye.